Hi, I'm Anupa. So today I thought let's make something unique with dahi. We like to have dahi with our parathas for breakfast and so on and so forth. So let's make dahi ki tikki. Such an amazing recipe. I'm sure you all are going to love it. You have to make hung curd. Now what is hung curd? Basically you have to keep it in a colander and in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours. So whatever moisture, whatever loose liquid which is there with the dahi, the whey gets completely drained off, and what you have here is this thick dahi. Just look at this, so thick. So now that everything is ready, let's quickly begin. We need to take a bigger bowl. Let's begin with some black pepper, some coarse black pepper. We need a little bit of elaichi powder, which is green cardamom powder, just a little bit of clove powder, cinnamon powder. For the spice, all that we're going to use in this recipe is green chilies, some fresh green coriander, salt, and a little bit of onion. All our ingredients have gone in. Now we have to first mix this up. Now if you see the texture, it's still a little soft and chances of this tikki breaking out in the oil are very high. Now how do you balance that? What we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of besan to this. And now let's mix once again. Alright, now look at this mixture. It's thick but it's still quite wet. So the best way to handle it is take a little bit of ghee and nicely grease your palm. Take a portion of this mixture like this, okay, shape it into a ball, dip it in cornflakes like this, dip the other side as well. Well, in the meanwhile, also add some ghee to your frying pan, pick up this tikki from the cornflakes and rotate it in the cornflakes like this so that you have coated it evenly. Now let's place it. Well, since this is a very delicate tikki, you need to go really slow. After it has got this color from the base, just look at the color. You'll have to serve it hot. So once this is done, you just have to serve it with some nice green chutney. So now that our tikkis are done, let's serve. So I'm sure you have loved watching this video of Dahi ki tikki. Do try this recipe at home because it's melt in mouth and so tempting.